Hi everyone, I'm Chef Jenny from Fisher Paykel. Today we're going to talk a little bit about our Pro Combi Steam Oven. We're going to cook some salmon. Using a combi steam oven is a really delicious and nutritious way to cook food. You don't have add any extra oils or fats to keep the food nice and moist. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our fish in the steam oven. So you can see there's nothing on it. I didn't add any oils or anything. I'm putting it in, and this fish is gonna cook perfectly and it's gonna be juicy and delicious. All right, we're gonna give that about 12 minutes. Okay, we are ready to take our salmon out of the steam oven. So let's go ahead and open the door. You can see all of that steam. And we're gonna pull out our salmon that's perfectly cooked. There. Give it a little toss. You don't have add any extra oils or fats to keep the food nice and moist. If you want to experience the Fisher Paykel Combi Steam Oven in person, you can visit us at any Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Costa Mesa, Torrance, Studio City, or Calabasas.